Well, hello and welcome back to Open Air Atheist, folks. I am James Theodore Still III, and I was surfing the web and I ran across Aaron Ra's website here, and it's an interesting video that gives a great demonstration, a great illustration of how animals actually have evolved morality like ourselves. So I thought I'd show this. It's kind of a touching clip. So I didn't think you guys would believe it unless you saw it. And this video is on my favorites. And this clip I'm going to be showing is from The Evolution of Morality by Aaron Ra. So I hope he doesn't mind me showing this clip of his on my show here. So let's get started. So what you see here is there's some bulls and they're about to be attacked by lions, and you can see they're all running, they're all afraid, and the lions single out a calf, the smallest and weakest of the herd, and he gets dragged into the water. And also, you're going to see here in a second, there's an alligator that's about to bite the rear of the animal, but the lions are going to pull the lions are going to pull the young animal here out of the water. So the calf here is being pulled out of the water by the lions, and yet being held on by the alligator. And as you can see here in a second, the lions are stronger, together, are more stronger than the alligator here. So you're gonna see here in a second that the herd is going to come back. They're going to realize, hey, if we unite as a little social group, as a society, we can save our young member of our little society here, our little in-group. And so they're going to come back and unite and take on the lions, as you can see here. And they are going to fend them off and save the calf's life. So just keep watching. No, this isn't the best quality of video here. So you can see the bulls are basically shooing off the lions. See him chasing the lion there.
He also knows that where the lions will work together, they won't be able to take him down because his brethren will not allow it. This is where morality comes from.
So you can see here in a second, they're going to chase off the rest of the lions and save the calf's life. Watch them chasing the lion there.
And isn't it remarkable how a 500-pound cat is reduced to kittenhood in an environment like this? We're looking at the screen. Have they yet released the cat?
Not yet.
As already given away, that cat is alive. You see one lion still.
See that the calf is still alive.
Somebody face them, and you're going to see very definite let go.
And see, yep, you see them ganging up on the lions,
Yeah.
protecting a member of their society, which is obviously a moral action. And also, I might want to add here that the theists will often argue, the Christian theists will often argue that we're made in the image of their God, thus, and they mean not physically made in the image, but bearing his moral character. But from this video, I could obviously argue that then you'd have to say that the cattle here are made also in the image of God. But of course I wouldn't do that because, well, God doesn't exist. So anyways, I just thought I would show you this footage. I thought it was pretty interesting, a pretty good video that illustrates the evolution of morality and in the wild. So you can see that you know, we are social creatures, just like these this herd of cattle here, and because we are social, it is in our best interest, in the best interest of the society as a whole, to protect our in-group members from totalitarians, you know, totalitarianism, dictatorship, and you know, it's better as a whole that since our happiness depends on the happiness of others in our in-group, and also our survival depends on the survival of those in our in-group. And so we have developed a moral instinct, an altruistic, naturalistic moral instinct in order to survive. So it's a survival mechanism that through millions of years of evolution has evolved in other animals, not just the human animal. So anyways, I thought that was interesting and just a good illustration. I hope you will actually go and check out his video. Again, it's The Evolution of Morality, and I think it's 5 of 5. I don't know how many videos there are in his series on the evolution of morality, but check it out. It's some really good stuff. He has some pretty good scientific argumentation and illustrations that definitely show how morality has evolved over time. So with that said, thank you. Please subscribe and don't die.